Before we go deep into the woods, I'd like to welcome you to this guided visualization meditation on the essence of living life. Find a comfortable position allowing your body to relax and your mind to become still. Close your eyes and let's embark on a journey of understanding what it truly means to live life. To live life is more than mere existence. It is to dance in harmony with the rhythm of the universe, to fulfill our duties with precision and grace. Just like skilled musicians in an orchestra. Imagine yourself as a part of this grand symphony of existence, each individual playing their notes at the perfect moment, creating a masterpiece of harmony. Enter the woods. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air filling your lungs with vitality. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension or worries. In life, just as in music, timing is everything. Each action, each duty, well, they have their rightful moment. Consider the consequences of playing the right notes at the wrong time. Discord arises, disrupting the flow of the melody. Similarly, when we neglect our obligations or mistune our actions, we sow the seeds of disharmony in our lives. But fear not, for there is wisdom in the symphony of life. Like the laws of orchestration guiding musicians, there are universal laws that govern our existence. When we align ourselves with these laws, we perform our duties conscientiously and in the right moment. We invite harmony and serenity into our lives. I'd like you to picture yourself as a conductor of your own destiny, orchestrating your actions with precision and mindfulness. As you navigate through the symphony of life, remember that every note, remember that every duty holds significance. No action is too small, for each contributes to the greater melody of existence. Release. Release the burden of worrying about outcomes. For when we act rightly, the results will naturally follow. Trust Trust in the inherent order of the universe. Know that everything unfolds according to divine timing. Now, take a moment to reflect on your own life. Are there duties waiting to be fulfilled? Are there actions that need to be taken at the right moment? Allow yourself to surrender. Surrender to the flow of life. Trust that as you play your part in the symphony, harmony will prevail. Before we exit the woods, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, feeling grounded, feeling rejuvenated. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying with you the wisdom of this meditation as you continue your journey through life's beautiful symphony. Thank you.